we could calculate like what's the probability that we got the word dear given it's from a normal message. So we have like 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by the total number of word count, and that's we got like 0.43. And as well, we do the same thing for we got the probability that the word is dear given that it's from a spam message, and that's like 2 divided by 7. And what I just did was just to calculate, for example, what's the probability that we got the word friend given that it's from a normal message. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 divided by the total number word count, so like 418. That's 8. So that's 6, and plus 4, 10, plus 3, plus 1, that's 14. That's how we got that. And we do the exact same thing over here. So what's the probability that got the word lunch given that it's from a normal message? That's 3 divided by 14. And also do the same thing, probability that we got the word money given it's from a normal message. That's 1 divided by 14. And we also do the same thing over here. So for the spam message, so what's the probability that we got the word dear given that it's from a spam message? So that's 2 out of 7. And do the same thing. What's the probability that we got the word friend given that it's from a spam message? That's 1 divided by 7. And we for lunch, it's 0 divided by 7 because they're not recurrent. They're no like this. I made this simple example, so we're gonna see how to tackle this later. And we also calculate what's the probability that we got the word money given that it's from a spam message. That's 4 divided by 7.